We're using the word Amrit Kaal. The meaning of Amrit Kaal is something which is long and something which is for eternity. Do you think India's indeed Amrit Kaal has started, and especially for financial investors?
I think it has because it's hard to. I think the Sensex moved at 15-16% compounded. The last few years probably better than that, with dividends about 18%. It's an extraordinary return, even if it's in rupees and not in dollars. It's an extraordinary return, and there have been very fair and just tax policies, the government. And more importantly, I think this bull market, you have to give a lot of kudos to the Prime Minister's office, the Prime Minister, and DIPAM for the way they've handled the biggest investment Indian taxpayers have made, which is in the public sector stocks, by introducing better corporate governance, by stopping leakages. They've really extracted value from these companies, which was sad and forgotten in the Indian stock market. So I think we owe a lot of credit to the government for its forward-looking policies on that matter. So having said that, if these companies can start delivering a market rate of return, Amrit Kaal should not be too far behind.
So since we are talking about Mumbai, and the last train station is in Mumbai is Churchgate. First train station.
Yes.
I mean, from people coming from there actually. But yeah, the first train station, if you live in South Bombay, is actually Churchgate, and it goes all the way to Kandivali and beyond. So if the Indian bull market is a train journey, starting from Churchgate to suburbs of Bombay, where do you think this train journey has reached?
It's a very interesting question. A lot of people think, for example, that we're in a bubble sort of atmosphere. I don't think we're in a bubble. All bull markets end, Nikunj. That is the tough news. No bull market rise permanently. Even this bull market will end. But having said that, we are not seeing any indications right now of the bull market ending. I'll give you an example earlier when I said the Japanese bull market went up 40x in yen terms and 100x in terms of dollar terms. So bull markets can go on for a long time, and they change the complexion of the country. And I believe here in such a bull market, I think when we get closer to the top, there will be flashing signals of red. I don't see that right now, so
what
I'm going to enjoy
signals?
it. Signals are, when the way market reacts to news, it won't react to good news, it'll react to bad news. There'll be extreme amount of leverage, extreme amount of IPOs coming to the market, a lot of idiotic talk going on the Dalal Street. What we are having now is more of a rolling sector-wise correction. So markets gets overheated in large caps, it will correct. Markets overheated in some other stocks, it will correct. But the underlying tone is good because liquidity is good, domestic money is good out there. Market still reacting positively to the announcement, and market very hopeful that the election outcome will be a market-friendly outcome.